Hello everyone, I just received the ANET A8. I bought it online from FNAC, the French website, and I want to open it to see what it exactly looks like and how we can assemble it. So I see a bunch of metal strips and some wires and some 3D printed parts and cables. Let's try to see what's underneath this plate. Okay, so there's more 3D printed DIY stuff. There's like this cardboard pieces. ANET display, main board, and I think that there's a third tier. Let's discover what's inside. That's really heavy. Up there we have the motors. We've got the motors and cables. More cables, lots of cables. I'm yet to discover how to fix all of these things together. So this is gonna take a little while and some more YouTube classes on how we have to assemble all this together. So all in all, we've got these three different types of fixtures, a lot of gadgets, a lot of small spares instruments together that I'll have to understand how to fix. So I'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching.